have been working very hard. Hello, everyone. Since last 7.5 months, you have been working very hard in the field to uplift the company, to maintain the momentum, and to bring back the momentum or the achievement which we have been doing. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate all Ethicarians for doing this wonderful thing. And we had been struggling. We had been struggling for that what to do and how to grow further. If we remember that in the month of March, April, May, it was completely zero. We were out of our mind what to focus on, what to do, and then we gradually started getting the momentum. Now, since everything is coming back to we cannot say it is normal, but new normal we can of course say. So considering that, we also thought that one of wonderful thing which we had been celebrating every month, that is our prestigious award, that is Wall of Fame. Every month we had been announcing that thing. Every month we had been publishing our internal e-newsletter, that is Ethicarian Connect. So then I thought that from October month, that means from 5th of November, 7th of November, we would start doing that thing again. So now everybody is coming back to the momentum. So from this month onwards, we would be arranging this Wall of Fame. We would be announcing this prestigious Wall of Fame award every single month. However, it would be on a virtual basis, like this way only on Facebook Live. So I welcome all Epicureans and all the viewers. And Ajay bhai, let us start and let us see that who are the very honored candidates, very honored Epicureans who are going to be there on first of our virtual Wall of Fame. And I want everybody to congratulate them, whoever is deserving this thing. So every month, so now it is time for us to grab the desired momentum. And as we have told, as we have all agreed that before March only we would overshoot our target or our achievement of previous year, and we are very close to that, and we are proud of that, that we would be able to do that thing. Ajay bhai, let us start. First is in the category of first is in the category of area sales manager, and I am very glad to announce that he is none other than Mr. Arogya Das from Chennai. I congratulate Mr. Arogya Das on this achievement and being the first manager on our virtual Wall of Fame. And why Mr. Arogidas? Because even during this COVID time and during this time, he has exceptionally grown the sales of Tamil Nadu. Like I would like to highlight along with these two team members. One is Tamil Nadu, and the other one is Gujarat team. Both have registered the highest ever sales in the history of ethical remedies. Gujarat team highest ever sale in the history of ethical remedies. I'm not talking about during this COVID time. I'm talking about in the history of 17 years. So I would like to congratulate Gujarat team as well as Tamil Nadu team also. So Mr. Arogya has launched the product very well, handled the team very well with all the company strategy follow up and all the follow up. However, here very close contestant was also from Tamil Nadu in the category of manager, and he was Mr. Jesu Kingsley. He has also done wonderfully well. So I would like to congratulate Mr. Jesu also. But Arogya Das is a clear winner this session. So congratulations, Mr. Arogya Das, for this first ever virtual honor of Wall of Fame. Yes, Ajay bhai. Yes, MR category is being, decorated by the name of Mr. Akib Bagman. Yes, Mr. Akib Bagban from Ahmedabad headquarters, he also has been consistently evolving. Like, when you are a medical representative, company always expects and observes that what type of leadership skills you are developing, what type of dedication you are putting in, what type of things you are doing in the field. So, in this regard, consistent self Akif's division is consistently showing surplus only throughout the year, and not only that, he is extending very good help to his colleagues. So that is also amazing thing, and I am seeing Akif becoming an emerging leader. So, Azhar, I would like to say just be careful. Even though he is your colleague, he is your cousin, but then he is there to give you tough competition. But of course, along with that, I would like to also highlight that in Ahmedabad, Azhar Momin is also doing exceptionally well. About clinic sanitation of all the doctors, then about, of course, FPFZ campaign and all other activities. So we are proud of Azhar Momin as well. However, here the place is reserved by Mr. Akib Bagman. And congratulations, Akib. Ajay Bhai. And second performer in MR category only is Mr. Vasant Kumar from Madurai. Sorry, Coimbatore. I beg your pardon. So I would like to congratulate Mr. Vasant also that doing exceptionally well. Of course, in the very good leadership of Mr. Jesu, but this place is being occupied by Mr. Vasant. Of course, drastic change in the sale. Not only that, following all the strategies given by the company and helping other colleagues also. So same way as I told about Mr. Akib, Mr. Vasant, you are also on your way to becoming a leader. And I appreciate. I'm closely observing all these contributions, all these attributes. You are doing in your working. So consistently achieving target, helping other people, following company strategy. That is the reason why Mr. Vasant Kumar is there on our prestigious wall of fame. So here, this category, this time we do not have any business associate on this wall of fame structure, but two medical representative and one area manager. Now, there comes our, there comes our, there comes our next contestant, who is from HO. This category is reserved for HO staff. Who is he? Who is he? I would request Bhavini to announce that.
Wall of Fame for office staff goes to Madhuri ma'am.
Miss Madhuri Gajera. Yes. And the thing is what you can say, the thing is what you can say that she is working very hard and putting in so many hard efforts, particularly for running the Dharmapiner group. She is faced behind, managing all the things and doing all the things. So I congratulate her She is up even late in the night. And again, she starts working from 8 a.m. Not only that, she is helping all other office members also to create content and help them out. So this place this month is truly being deserved by Miss Madhuri Gajera. I would like to congratulate her also. Keep it up, ma'am, and you are also on your way to progress, and you are contributing a lot to the growth of ethical remedies. However, the people who have missed by little bit, I would like to highlight that also. Like in manager category, as I told you, that Jesu Kingsley was also a strong contestant along with Azhar Momin. Same way in HO also, the strong contestant was Mr. Rishi Pitaria because he has taken over the charge of iDoc solution, and with complete ownership, he is doing amazingly well. Now, you see, all the Ethereans, I would like to encourage one thing, that when you take the ownership, that this is my own company, this is my own profile, then there is no looking back. What's the idea? So, like that only, Madhuri Madam has taken ownership. So, Rishi Bhai, now he is completely behind iDoc solution only, how to market, how to create new input, how to create new marketing strategies, like that. Along with that, it would be injustice if I forgot the names of our export department. Export department is doing wonderfully well. During this COVID time only, they have collaborated with many. They have collaborated with many more countries where we have started export during this COVID time also. So they are also like Prashant Bhai, Kuldeep, they are really working very hard. Nirmal Bhai providing back office support. So congratulations to all of them also. However, let me give you a brief idea that if you want to be featured on next month's Wall of Fame, what you need to do? Just follow the value system of ethical remedies. What are our values? Just follow that thing. Follow company culture, company strategy, whatever we have been giving you, or company's input, whatever we have been giving you time to time, and stand your chance to be featured on next month Hall of Fame. Again, next month we will see you there on live virtual Hall of Fame, and we will start all these employee engagement and motivational activities from November month itself only. So till then, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and enjoy your festive season with Diwali, but very safely. Thank you very much, all. Thank you.